Hello, friends in high places. I'm here in Alabama. That's Laura back there. I actually surprised her by flying up here and getting her good. All right, go.
Hi. I'm so happy here, my friend. I was just thinking about you in the car, and I was like, I forget. Oh my gosh, I'm dreaming. Oh my god.
And it worked. We are making our way through the forest that used to be my backyard when I lived here before. It's a magical place. So let's go. This is my old neighborhood. Check out all those trees, man. All these flipping trees. Look at all those. That's a lot of trees. It's so quaint. It's hot. This sure was a nice neighborhood to live in. Look at all those trees. I don't know how many times I've said that, but it's so amazing. That is the mighty forest. You see how much I'm sweating? So here's the forest. This is like the forest of dreams. It's really overgrown. Look at a turtle. Ah, poor little. Oh. See his little nostrils? Put him back, let him sleep. He's unhappy when you pick him up. I'm on top of the well. Here's our little river. Time to cross the log of magic. Lo and behold, junkyard. There's a bee on my nose. Here it is. Look at the flippin' forest though, guys. Look at those. This is the second part of the forest. Ah, shoot. It's all good. Looky here. It's a tire swing.
You're gonna die.